I'm going to show you a quick way how you can reset WordPress to how it was when you first installed using a plugin. So to do that, let's head over to the dashboard and go to plugins, add new plugin, and you want to search for WP Reset. We'll be using this tool here and click on install, activate. Now you can click on open WP Reset tools. When you scroll down here to the bottom, you'll see this section which says site reset. So in this section, what we're going to do is we're going to uncheck this because I don't want this plugin also to be active. I want a completely fresh installation. Before we reset, we got these options here. I'm going to uncheck this one because I don't want to reactivate this plugin. I want a completely fresh installation. You can back up your site by creating a snapshot, but I'm not going to do that now. So in this field, we're going to type in reset, and then we hit reset. And it's going to ask you for confirmation and click reset WordPress. And now WordPress is completely reset. Now if you go back to post, I got nothing now. And if you take a look at the site, it's back to the default installation. That's it guys, thanks for watching.